So Monday morning we'll come in for 8. We'll train the 8 till 9 in the gym, and then we'll come on to the 3G here to train 9 till 10. Tuesday morning we'll come in for 8, where Kim Williams, the Raiders first team coach, will come in and give us a hand with our game prep.
Then on a Wednesday we'll have a game. After the game Thursday we'll do some recovery, so we'll go down, we can do some ice baths, sometimes do yoga, yeah, and just make sure everything's alright basically.
Then Friday we're in for 8, so we'll either say now if we've had a really tough game, we'll go doing a bit more recovery on the Friday, and we'll do a bit of gym, or we'll come out and we'll fix what we did wrong on Wednesday, so we'll have a look at what we did wrong and put it right on the pitch.